Why does my garage door reverses as soon as it touches the floor? Garages are a great addition to any home, as not only do they provide parking for your car, but they can also be used for storage, working on projects, and more. So we definitely want the door working correctly and staying closed for protection and security. Why does my garage door reverse when touching the floor? First, check and make sure nothing is in the way of the safety eyes. If something is blocking the beam, the door won't close. But this probably isn't the problem if the door is hitting the floor then going back up. Usually, garage door openers have an adjustment screw for fine-tuning the amount of pressure or resistance the electric opener can feel before the safety sensor will stop and reverse the door to open it again. Before making any adjustments to the force settings, it is critical to first pull the emergency disconnect rope and lift and lower the door by hand to see if it requires an unusual amount of force to operate. If it opens and closes easily by hand, it is okay to adjust the sensitivity of the opener, which may be the problem. The limit switch may need adjusting to stop the door as it touches the floor. It may be set to let it keep trying to travel past touching the floor, and this would cause the safety to raise it back up as it thinks it is hitting something besides the floor. If these simple issues are not your problem, then it could be the logic board in the opener. This would need replacing. Try looking up your manufacturer and model online to find a troubleshooting guide. If you find one and this doesn't help solve your problem, it may be time to replace it altogether or call a professional repair person to have a look at it.